Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unblock someone on the Facebook, because sometimes we blocked someone on the Facebook and after that we want to unblock that person. So in this video I will show you how you can easily unblock that person which you have blocked. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Facebook applications. So go to Play Store and update your Facebook applications. So after updating, click on Open Options, because after updating, all features will work properly. So open the Facebook applications. So after that, you will see three lines on top right. Click on here, and then you will see setting options. Click on here, and then scroll down the page, and you will see blocking options. Click on it, and you can see I have blocked this contact. For example, I want to block this person, so then I will click on unblock. So then click on unblock. So in this way you can unblock anyone on the Facebook which you have blocked already. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.